Hey, what's up guys? This is Neil from Neil Point. Today we're gonna have look at wheel speed sensor using a Launch Auscan 2. So this is the car that I brought here, Mazda 3 2010 model. So we're gonna look at wheel speed sensor, how things works. So have a look at the Mazda here, click. Confirm. I'll probably go automatic search. So manually select, when you manually select, you gotta type all the like Mazda 3 2010 model, or either engine 2 liter, or you gotta type everything. So yeah, just if you click automatic, yeah, automatically read it itself. Yep, vehicle equipped with DCT, yes. Not fitted. Okay, not fitted. Yeah, this is a base model, so it doesn't have anything option on it. Alright, so gonna probably go system selection. Wheel speed sensor, it'll be anti-lock brake system and ABS. So I'm gonna try to read the data systems. And so wheel speed sensor right here. Confirm. So valve. So when you move it, when you move the car, when you drive continuously or going up. Yep. Yeah, this car doesn't have wheel speed sensor problems. So if a wheel speed sensor problem, the valves may be like, you know, maybe different. One for like one goes up to 8, one goes up to 1. So you can know, or either you can select the graph here, and then they will tell you which one's wrong, which one's right, which one's not. So for example, if I drive again, the graph will be changed. This is such a cool system, isn't it? You can compare with the graph. More easier to have a look. Look at that. And then if you want to combine like that, four of them. I'm gonna try the 4 of them combined together. Then see that? Which one's which? So easy to have a look. Which one's not working, which one's doesn't have a signal. Thanks for watching. See you next time.